Welcome to a presentation of the A-Team Defenders of GOTO's submission to the 2019 Sitecore Hackathon. The team members are Rasmus Mikkelsen, Morten, Engel, and Roland Villemoes, a cross-Atlantic team from Alpha Solutions offices in Copenhagen and New York. From this year's hackathon categories, we decided to focus on tools that can help the content editors and marketeers to be more productive. Furthermore, to create tools that utilizes online services to help categorize and evaluate the content created, making it possible to get instant feedback on the work. As a content editor or marketeer, you need all the help you can get to create valuable content that sends the messages you need to get out there. But how do you really know that your text you just created actually sent the intended emotions to the readers? Well, we have something there that can help, so stay tuned. Secondly, to be more productive while working in Sitecore, you need to be able to locate the right images easy and fast when you build your content. Adding the right keywords can help you achieve this. But that work is often cumbersome and very time consuming. We created a solution for the above challenges by the use of online services from IBM. The ToneAnalyzer from IBM Watson gives instant feedback on a number of different dimensions such as emotional factors and communication based on a piece of text. Another service, also from IBM Watson, the Visual Recognition, can analyze images and return keywords that describes the objects on the images. Having the keywords as part of the internal search in Sitecore makes it easy to locate the needed images and also creates a faceted search experience. So let's dive into a demo of all this. Let's start off with the ToneAnalyzer feature. We have some example content created up here on the GOTO Watson examples that has a number of text fields with some text in. So when I'm on this document, I can click on the Review tab up here and click on Analyze Text. That will make it possible for me to choose what fields that host the content that we want to get analyzed, and I choose the sadness field. And what we get back now from the Watson service is actually 3 different dimensions of measurement. And on the left side, you can see that we can choose either the result that Watson did on this on either the entire document or by individual sentences. So emotion tone, language tone, and social tone. And if I dive a bit into the individual over here, you can see that it's individual result based on the sentences, and all this should give the marketer and content editor a way of getting a feedback right away on the content. So maybe if they want to send another expression, another emotion to a reader, and based on this, they can change the content and rework it back and forth until they get the signals they want to send out there. Let's do another example. I choose another field, anger. And for this one, there's only the entire document. There's one piece of text, and you can see that it actually found out that it was mostly anger on the emotion tone, not much on the language tone, and some other on the social tone dimension. Let's do the last one as well. Joy. So for the entire document, it absolutely said joy. No fear, no disgust, no anger, no sadness. And again, we can dive into the individual sentences and get visualization of the individual results for those sentences. The next tool, the feature we created, was the visual recognition. So let's move on to that. Let's go down to the media library, where we have some example images. And when I click on This is an example from Watson as well. A football. Up here we can now trigger a function of image classification. Let's try that out. So it sends the image up to the Watson service, and it returns a number of classification keywords: lemon, yellow color, olive color, banana, fruit, diet. And from here I can choose a number of keywords that I find is interesting for me. I think I'm actually going to do all of them, and I can click Save Keywords. What now happens is that the keyword field on this image document has now gotten all these words added. I'm going to save that. Let's try to do another one. Hackathon morning. Looks like this one. And let's check that's actually keyword that one. Let's check another one. This one maybe. There's no keywords in this one. Let's check the image, how it looks like. We still let the Sitecore Hackathon begin. Pretty relevant. I'm going to click image classification on this one as well. It comes up with magazine, movie poster, person, gray color, print media. Let me select something as well. Save the keywords and check out if they actually got a document. It did. So this is an easy way to get the keywords on your images without looking too much at the images yourself, and of course you can add more keywords to it. So the whole idea is that, of course, when you then pull up the media library or you select images when your content, you will, by having this, also get the facet up here. So I can dive into color. I find actually our test documents, I can click food. I get images where the service returned that there was food on it. So hope you find these two features helpful. We named this module GOTO Watson and believe it's a pretty effective and productive enhancement for the marketer and content editor. By the way, we structured and architected the module is actually very easy to extend, and it's all built on Sitecore PowerShell extensions. So it doesn't really require any C# code to be compiled and deployed and so on. So hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.